Healthcare Matters is a family-run business, family-owned. We've been in existence for 15 years. We service, sell, maintain and repair medical equipment. So mainly things that belong to the NHS that people have in their own homes, but also things for the hospitals, for nursing homes and for some private individuals as well. So in about 2015, a tender that we were already the incumbent supplier for came up for renewal. We decided we were going to go for that, obviously, but then we thought, well, if we don't win that, there's a potential that we're going to have to lay people off and the company could shrink. So we actually went for some other tenders at the same time. We actually won them all at the same time. We had paper-based systems and we knew we needed to bring in an automated system. So we tried 2 automated systems, one specifically for the healthcare industry and another one that was off the shelf, and neither worked. But my nephew I found this company, Joblogic, you need to look at it. It took a bit of convincing, but finally I was like, okay, yeah. So we organised a demo late November 2018, and within 15 minutes of the demo I knew that it was the right system for us, and it far exceeded what the other 2 systems were offering us. Support's obviously fundamental when you're launching a new system like that, and it was first class. We were on the phone all the time initially. You know, there's a lot of nerves. You're bringing a whole new system in to run your business, which you've taken 13 years to build up. You're very nervous that things might go wrong, but every time you pick the phone up, there was somebody there. We could arrange a conference call whenever we wanted. The way the system works is it's adaptable for every business. So we do a lot of hires. It's not specifically designed for hires, but quite easily we've been able to put away like a workaround within the system, and all our hires, which is quite a big part of our business, is now run through Joblogic. From the time that job goes on the system, it can't be lost. From the time a quote's raised, you can follow it through all the way from a quote to an order to delivery to invoicing to getting paid. It's great for our customers because they get a job number straight away. You know, they can track that job right through. They can log onto the portal and see if we're on our way to the site. Because Joblogic's continually improving and releasing modules that add more functionality to the system, it really supports us in the culture of continual improvement. It's just transformed the business in terms of how slick it is and how things can happen a lot faster.